Okay, now the topic is implicit casting. Implicit casting means the process of converting a value from lower numerical data type to higher numerical data type automatically without using any special syntax. This process is called as implicit casting. See, we have a lower numerical data type, lower numerical data type, and we have a higher numerical data type. So, I want to convert the value from lower numerical data type to higher numerical data type. Now listen, what are the numerical data types available for us? S byte, byte, short, U short, int, U int, long, U long, float, double, decimal. These are the 11 numerical data types. Out of these 11 numerical data types, what you can exactly say, lower to higher, depending on the number of bytes we have to say. If it is a lower numerical data type, we can convert the same directly into higher numerical data type automatically without any syntax. The language itself provides you the direct conversion, automatic conversion, syntaxless conversion from lower to higher. For example, we have a S byte data type and we have int data type. This particular S byte data type value can be directly converted into int without using any syntax, but reverse not possible. Reverse means what? Think about integer to S byte, that is higher to lower. That is not possible in case of implicit casting, only lower to higher. In case particularly if you want to convert the higher to lower, we have to go for the explicit casting. That process we will see in the other example. But at this moment we are going to talk about implicit casting. Implicit casting means we are trying to convert lower to higher only, not to higher to lower. So for lower to higher, these are all the possible list. Now check this list. For S byte, we have short, int, long, float, double, decimal. What does that mean exactly? We have a value at a S byte data type that can be converted into any of these data types. These are all possible data types. For example, we have a S byte, A equal to 10. Some value we have like this, S byte A equal to 10. That value can be converted into short. We can convert this value into short, or we can convert into int, or we can convert into long, or we can convert into float, or we can convert into double, or we can convert into decimal. From this to any of these possible. Exactly in the similar manner, we can check the remaining. Byte we can convert into all these data types, short into these data types, U short into these data types, int into these data types, U int, long, U long, all the data types. But this double cannot be converted into any other data type, and a decimal also cannot be converted into any other data types. Char can be converted into almost any of the numerical data type. These are all possible conversions. So whenever I have requirement to convert a value from any of these lower numerical data type to higher, then we can go for the implicit casting. For implicit casting, there is no any syntax. It is syntaxless. Without using any syntax, without writing any special code, directly the value, the language itself convert the value. This process is called as implicit casting. But think about higher to numerical, higher to lower. Higher to lower is must be converted manually. That is called explicit casting. How to convert the higher to lower? I am talking about the higher to lower. Higher to lower is called as explicit casting. Then it must be done through round brackets. First you have a value, which value you want to convert that value. At the left hand side of the value, we have to mention the data type. What data type? which value you want to convert, that data type, target data type, destination data type we have to provide. For example, we have a int a equal to 10. Suppose you want to convert the same into byte data type. How to convert? Byte, in the brackets we have to provide byte. Then we have to mention the value. That means the value will be converted into which data type? Byte data type. The value will be converted into byte data type. This process is called as explicit casting, because we have mentioned the data type intentionally. So whenever you are performing the data type conversion intentionally, expectedly, that is called explicit casting. Automatically language itself converts. That is what implicit casting. Implicit casting is possible only in these set data types. Explicit casting can be done among any data types, lower to higher or higher to lower. This is the implicit versus explicit. So here is an example of implicit casting and explicit casting. So check it. Suppose we have a value int a equal to 10. I want to convert the same into long data type. So long b. I want to retrieve the value from a, copy the same into b. So what should you write? B equal to a. Here implicit casting exists. Now check it. What is the original value of a? What is the data type of a? Int. Int is a 4 bytes. B is a long data type, 8 bytes. So this one is a lower numerical data type, this one is a higher numerical data type. Lower to higher is called as which one? Implicit casting. So this is an example of implicit casting. But think of reverse. I want to convert from long to integer. That is an example of which one? Explicit casting. So for example, long c equal to 20 int d. You want to retrieve the value from c and assign the same into d. So what should you write? D equal to c. At that time we must use a conversion. That means here we have to mention the data type. Into what data type you want to convert? The target data type we have to provide, that is int. You want to convert the c into which data type? Integer data type. After converting, the converted result value will be stored into d. Finally we can display the all values together. A value 10, B value also 10, C value 20, D value also 20. So we got a 10, 10, 20, 20. Now check it. Here we are retrieving the value from integer data type and converting the same into long. Integer is 4 bytes, long is 8 bytes. So that is come under which category? Lower to higher. That is what implicit casting. Here it is reverse. So it must be done explicitly. Manually we have to convert by writing this syntax. Whenever we are not writing any syntax to convert, that is called implicit casting. Whenever we are writing the syntax, that is called explicit casting. So in this way we have understood the difference between implicit and explicit casting.